Hi, welcome. So this thing is all going to be on voiceover, so bear with me. You know I get a little crazy when I have to do something on voiceover. So in a pan right now, we got some red onions and some garlic going with a little bit of oil. I am making a rice dish for breakfast. I've been going to the gym pretty early in the morning, so I find it better to eat the carbs and heavy meals early in the morning rather than later on. You know, I gotta have that energy to lift those weights. I am not a... Whoa! Did you see that betrayal? That thing just said bye, bye, bye as we go on. I can't. Okay, so anyway, I put tomatoes in there and I put a little bit of tomato paste. I am making a sauce for my rice. Black pepper, cayenne pepper to spice it up. This is a vegan chickenless. It's like bouillon cube, but it's vegan. And then I also put some Trader Joe's mushroom umami flavoring. That thing is so good. Royco, tried and true. Gotta mix it up with some water and throw it in there. It thickens up pretty fast. Okay, so I usually have a dairy-free diet, but I had a little bit of heavy cream from a recipe that I was using and it was about to go bad, so I just threw that in there. That is totally optional. Actually, everything I'm putting in here is optional. No recipe, I don't even have a name for this dish. I'm just throwing things together. Cilantro, that's one of my favorite herbs, if not my favorite, so I throw it in everything. Now last night I had made some roasted cauliflower, so this is just leftover cauliflower that I'm throwing in there, and then leftover rice from last night. I would say I put about half a cup of rice in there. Mixed it up until it was all incorporated. And that was breakfast. Here's my little Rona, my little beggar, my sous chef. So lunch, let's move on. I got 2 pans out, put a little bit of oil in it. I'm about to make an egg and some bacon. It is plant-based bacon that I get at Sprouts. It's actually pretty good. I wouldn't say it tastes like bacon, but it has a smoky flavor that is pretty decent. Even my husband, who eats real meat, doesn't mind it. So I went ahead and started frying that up just like you would regular bacon. In the other pan, I dropped an egg. I'm only making 1 egg because, I don't know, I have my moods with eggs. Like, I, for the most part, don't eat them. So I'm just gonna make a sandwich for my husband with an egg, but then for mine, I'm gonna go without it. Flip it over. Okay, I don't know why my knife looks so dirty, but I promise you it is not. I think the, what is it called? The washcloth or the cloth that I wiped it with was kind of dirty, so that's that. I'm actually making a BLT, just in case I forgot to say. I probably did. This thing is a hot mess. Welcome to my life. What's a BLT without some lettuce, right? Make sure you wash your veggies, y'all. We don't want to get E. coli out here. Especially romaine. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what this angle is. It is kind of ugly, but I put veganese, veggies. It's pretty much vegan mayo. Oh yeah, let's fix that angle. Spread it on my bread. I don't know what these rolls are called, but I got them at Sprouts. They have a weird name like Tesla? No, it can't be Tesla. Anyway, I'll put it on the screen right here, whatever they're called. This is Nando's pepperoni sauce, so we get medium and hot. So on my sandwich, I put the medium and then I put the hot, because if I just put the hot, it would be too spicy. So we're all about balance around here. My husband doesn't like it too spicy, so his is just going to have the medium one. When we kiss you, make me sound alone. When we kiss, that thing go ring. Oh, look at those claws. Corona, paws off my counter.
Looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah. Tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and killing, need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me.
That's how it looks once it dries up. Like when I was flipping it in the pan, it didn't look that dark, but then it just darkens over time and it gets super crisp.
I tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring.
Okay, so this was a disappointment. Let me just fix this angle for 1 second. So I got this avocado, right? And it looked so good. So I opened it up. I was like, okay, I'm about to spruce up this BLT. It's about to be an ABLT because the A is for avocado, just in case you didn't know. A, avocado. Okay, cool. So I scooped it out and I was trying to layer it on a sandwich. And I don't know if you see me struggling to put it apart, but it was soft but hard on the inside. I hate when avocados just disappoint my life sometimes. But anyway, it's okay. It's just an avocado. It's an avocado. It's fine.
Sound the alarm.
We had our sandwiches with protein shakes. At least I did, because I had just come from the gym. So Christian just ate the sandwich because he had something else for lunch earlier. It was a little later of a lunch, so as you can see right there, I'm just cutting up some strawberries, put some ice and water in there, and I put my protein powder in there. It is just a vanilla Corona. It is just a vanilla protein powder. My NutriBullet is like the most used thing in my house. Like I've had it since college. It was a gift in college, and up till today, it's still working perfectly. Definitely worth the investment. And yeah, that was lunch. For dinner, I went out for ramen with some friends, and yeah, that's the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.